Okay, welcome everyone. Hope you can hear me well. First, you make ensure that my slide over the screen is clear to everyone. Can you see the screen sharing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
that's fine. Today, we'll talk about the precision agriculture and different types of technologies. At my class, here is the table of the content. I'd like to draw at first your attention on the definition of precision agriculture and the applications as so far in Bangladesh perspective, few examples, then you can apply this concept for our agricultural industry. And then I may feel interest to give a discussion on different kinds of challenges and advantage that you may face or the field manager, the agriculturist, they are preparing to come over these challenges and which are the benefits they are getting for applying the precision agriculture in their farm industry. And finally, we'll see how this concept optimize our farming process with the help of Internet of Things devices. So let's get started. The first slide will concentrate on getting you know the definition of precision agriculture. Technologically advancement both in small and large scale agricultural business, we are implementing the precision agriculture. GPS satellite adoption allowed the farmers to gather more data and steer equipment automatically. There are more technologies that allow the farmers to gather more precise data using the sensor, aerial device, and IoT solutions. The objectives of precision agriculture have explained like that it may choose suitable crops with higher yields and more lucrative market. It may help us measuring the performance of site by automatically capturing all the relevant data in real time. It may help us to increase the farmer's economic and environmental sustainability. Also, it predicts the climate change and reacting to them proactively. We are really thankful to our digital devices. A grower will be able to continuously monitor a wide range of metrics, including the rainfall levels, the number and the nature of nutrients that crops need to grow to a peak level, like soil sampling, fertilizers input, and so on. If the farmers use sensor to monitor the field, they'll be getting long-term access to real-time data. This way, a field manager will be able to distinguish patterns and predict the changes, potential risk and yields, both through the harvest and the growing season. Using the technology for farm management, increasing data accessibility. With precision agriculture, the field members are no longer bound to the office space. Hence, we see or this facility provides all kind of access for remotely area one can easily access or getting connected to a wide range internet connectivity as transparently they are working just beside one by one. The excessive use of chemicals is one of the causes of high crop and soil pressure. To protect the site from crop damaging insect, farmers tend to go overboard with their nitrogen uses. Apart from reducing the environmental sustainability, using chemicals is expensive, obviously. With precision agriculture, a farmer will be able to administer chemicals only when they need it and protect the crops more efficiently.
Ma'am, Assalamu alaikum, ma'am.
Alaikum Assalam.
ম্যাম আমাদের যে মানে প্রেজেন্টেশনটা ম্যাম মানে যেদিন যাদের প্রেজেন্টেশন হচ্ছে আপনি যে বললেন এক এক দিন 4টা গ্রুপ করে দিবে যে ম্যাম যেদিন যাদের প্রেজেন্টেশন তারা ওই দিন ফাইলটা জমা দিলে ভালো হয় না ম্যাম? মানে একটু আমাদের সাথে আরো 2টা প্রেজেন্টেশন চলতেছে তো ম্যাম, তাহলে একটু মানে একটু রিল্যাক্স একটু
Okay,
করে দিন।
but please try your best to submit your assignment or the home task before 30 minutes starting our class. So I'll get time to check out. Submit your task, mail all the tasks to me. Try to send before 50 minutes of starting my class.
মানে যেদিন যার প্রেজেন্টেশন তার 50 মিনিট আগে আপনাকে send করতে।
Okay, that's fine. 50 minutes.
ওকে ম্যাম, থ্যাংক ইউ।
Thank you. So again, back to the slide. By adopting centralized command and control tools, farming teams can easily, precisely when to irrigate a given field. As a result, crops are preserved in a better state and the management framework is socially responsible. These are the benefits of precision agriculture in using IoT for modern farming landscape. As the approach has an extensive list of advantages, it is certainly worth implementing. Now it is our turn to think how would be our precision farming or our agricultural field while we use the IoT devices. What would be the view we should imagine? Okay, how can IoT optimize our farming process? It may reduce the resource waste. It also identifies the developing patterns and the trends, while Internet of Things in farming reduce the operating cost and the production risk. By accurately, it estimate the yield volumes that will be harvested at each field. So one will be able to build smarter distribution strategies and outline potential revenue streams beforehand. It may be like that by getting all the data, all kinds of crops across all fields during the entire season, a field or the field worker will eventually be able to determine which risks or natural conditions are likely to repeat the next year. By analyzing this data regarding the crop type, farmers will be able to predict which will be lucrative in the years to come. Recently many studies shows different types and few IoT solutions for this precision agriculture, like the climate monitoring, in crop monitoring, cattle monitoring, and the greenhouse automation. The first one is climate monitoring, like weather stations may equipped with farmer stations that will help the farmers to tracking and predicting weather conditions in a needed field area. After having this collected data, real-time data from the environment or connecting the device, send the data to a cloud-based storage. And one more advantage of using this cloud-based storage that anytime it can have the ability of accessibility. Any data one can access at any time from anywhere. From there, farm managers can use the information for climate mapping and crop selection. Okay, while in crop monitoring, crop management view devices are a crucial component for using this technology efficiently. These devices are typically placed on the field and one will monitor water levels, crop health, and other relevant and physical properties using the crop monitoring tools. So a farmer can proactively manage the anomalies, build the prediction models and strategies, and then prevent potentially harmful disease. Well, then the cattle monitoring, one can use the sensors. Sensors are even more important for any animal management than they are for crop maintenance. They can serve as location trackers so that a part of the livestock is not lost. Also, the farm manager will be getting real-time data on whether cows, pigs, or other farm animals are not sick or hungry. Connected any type and then the greenhouse automation. In greenhouse automation, IoT platforms for precision agriculture, where the temperature within the greenhouse optimizes and adjusts itself automatically. The lighting, irrigation system within the greenhouse can be managed with no human supervision as well. Okay, one more tools you may add here, that is GIS system. It gives farmers the possibility to aggregate data in visually rich way. By generating color coding map, the tool gives a full view on soil condition, crop fertility, insect or disease pressure. So these data collected by GIS tool are helping or presented in a way that one could not be spotted with the single eye. So as so far discussion, it helps us to conclude a very important note, that is, in precision agriculture is an approach to farming that employs data sensors, connected device, remote control tools, and other advanced technologies to give the farmers more control over the field and the team. Hence, we have already seen that if farmer have accessibility or have the power to control all the field corner, and remotely one farmer can make the decision and apply the decision. So farmer getting the decision support while the farmers or the farm industry using the IoT devices. These are connected and getting retrieve all the real-time information from their field. So it is a modern approach in our farming industry. Okay, আমি এই স্লাইডটি